I'm back! Welcome to my YouTube channel! Sorry po, medyo natagalan yung pag-release ng bagong vlog, but today, isi-share ko sa inyo ang aking weight loss journey. Makakasama ko rin today si Doc Baker, so let's start! Bago ko simulan yung interview with Doc Baker, share ko muna sa inyo kung bakit at paano ako nag-start sa aking weight loss journey. Nag-start akong mag-Baker Slim kasi naramdaman ko na hindi na ako healthy. Kumbaga nagiging cycle na yung nangyayari na kumakain ako ng kumakain. Pero sinabayan ko rin yun ng workout, ng diet, pero hindi talaga siya nag-work. Lalo akong tumataba. At nakaka-frustrate yun. So, naisip ko, hindi na tama to. Kailangan may mangyari na. Di ako nagbabasa ng comments. Mas lalo lang akong malulungkot pag binasa ko pa yon kasi malungkot na ako na nahihirapan na akong pumayat. Kung magbabasa pa ako ng mga bashing tungkol sa weight ko, no. Di na lang. Na-meet ko si Doc Baker kay Doc RFD ng Urban Smiles. Sinabi niya kay Kuya Eric na pumunta daw ako dito. So yun, dumating ako dito, pumasok ako sa clinic nito 7 months ago. I wasn't sure what to expect, but in just 2 months, I became a completely different person. Ganon kabilis nag-work yung Baker Slim sa akin. From hopeless to successful, from lost to confident. Kaya sobrang grateful ako na na-meet ko tong mga taong to. Hindi lang sila, ako din, nagbigay ako ng effort. Sila na yung nagbigay ng special sauce sa akin. But I still had to do my part to get the best results. Kaya naging committed po talaga ako, ginawa ko po ito weekly, at naging consistent ako. And honestly, hindi lang ako natulungan ng Baker Slim sa pagpapayat ko. My skin cleared up, my mental health improved, my confidence went through the roof. At ngayon talaga masasabi ko na confident talaga ako sa sarili ko and I am proud of how far I've come. Later, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano tinutusok sa akin ang Baker Slim.
Are you
Una
happy
lang
how
yun.
you look? And
I'm
I've
super
noticed yung
happy.
pagpayat mo, you don't look gonty.
Hindi
ka tuyot.
No.
You don't look like parang pagod na pagod.
Hindi.
Kami yon, joke. But
Parang
it's a
hindi
good
rin naman halata,
It's a good
Doc.
NAD
Super.
ang next natin. Since nag-Baker Slim ka na, we'll now go into longevity and beauty,
Okay.
NAD+.
Okay.
Since na-achieve na natin yan, we will now add more to make it more fresh. And parang 18 lang si Yen.
Oh,
Ganon.
yes!
Ano nga yung day na dumating ka sa Baker? Anong petsa nun? If I could recall.
Hindi ko na. Parang March.
March.
So, 7 months ago.
7 months ago. So, we went to that intensive phase na every 7 days.
Yes.
Tatlong buwan yun eh.
Mhm,
Before we reached the
mhm,
40s eh.
mhm.
Kasi 75 ka, pumasok tayo ng 49, mga 3 months yun, right?
Mhm.
To be sure lang.
Yes.
So, 7-day interval yun, right?
Mhm.
So, medyo anong na-notice mo as you long term sa mga second month, ikwento mo sa akin. How did you feel? Yung long term. Siyempre parang, uy, 1 buwan na ako ganon.
Ako, Doc, napansin ko talaga 2 months. In just 2 months, I became a completely different person.
So, 60 days. So, yun.
Yun talaga.
And ano yung mood mo? Kasi importante sa babae yun, mood eh.
Wala, sobrang nag-improve yung
Correct.
mental health ko eh.
Correct.
So, ang layo nung unang-unang
Very important
pagpasok ko
yan.
dito.
May mga benefit na yun.
Yes.
So, yung mental health, go on. Sige, kwento ka dun. How did you feel from day 1 to day 60? Ano yung naramdaman mo na yun?
My skin cleared up.
Your skin cleared up. And then yung mental health, yung mood swing, how was it?
Wala na akong ganun, Dok. Lagi na lang akong masaya.
Wow.
Wala na
I
akong...
mean, that's...
Yeah. Hindi na ako
That's
namang
more
problema kasi
than
yung
anything.
confidence ko talagang
There you go.
number 1 din yun na nawala sa akin yun ng matagal. Tapos biglang balik. Like from hopeless. Kasi pumasok ako dito, I was feeling hopeless talaga. From hopeless to successful.
To trending,
From
diba?
lost to confident.
Kasi
Ganun.
tinago natin to eh.
Tinago, nakiusap ako sa'yo.
Hindi
na huwag
tayo
kang magpo-post.
magsa-selfie, hindi kami
Yes.
magpo-post. Yung
Kaya-
parang, hi!
Yes.
Day 1. Walang
Mhm.
ganon. We will, kung sa ano pa, mamarinate natin.
Yes.
At nakita nila. Oh my God. So, wala daw live. Sabi nila, nilipo daw kita. Well, wala
Wala.
mark. Unang-una,
Wala.
walang mark.
Mhm.
So, I can prove that.
Yes.
Number 2, natural yung, it's still yen. Ikaw pa rin. See?
Wala
Hindi
naman
yung parang
tayong ginawa
finish-lift
kasi
kita. Wala tayong ginawang
Wala.
invasive.
Mhm.
Just on Baker's Slim alone.
Yes.
Wow,
Baker's
guys,
Slim
thank
lang
you.
talaga
Can I
to.
see it? Alam mo, napansin nila yung balat mo.
Ako din. Ibang-iba yung balat ko nung pagdating ko
Na-notice
dito.
na, Doc, parang naka-makeup siya.
Yes.
Underrated.
Kahit ako Doc, like pag pumupunta ako dito, pag umuwi ako, nakikita ko yung face ko para talaga ako naka-blush on.
In terms of long-term use, sabi nila, baka daw bumalik, baka daw mag-plateau. Did you ever have that?
No, hindi. Kasi parang hindi ko, ngayon hindi ko na to ginagawa weekly. Kasi
Oo
nag-ano na
nga.
tayo, diba? Pero
Oo,
wala,
diba?
hindi siya bumabalik.
In terms of control, are you in full control na of
Yes.
yourself?
Mhm.
Guys, yun ang
Nasanay
pinaka-importante.
na. Ayoko, kahit ako mismo, ako na yung tatanggi sa kung paano akong kumain dati. Ayoko na
And
ng
mind you,
ganun.
hindi to ibawal sabay ng workout.
Yes. Ayun,
Every after
nagpipilates
Baker
na rin
Slim,
ako.
I would request my patient to rest 24 to 36 hours, tsaka mag-workout na.
Mag-workout. Yes.
So, di ba, hindi ka pa nag-workout noon?
Hindi pa ako
Sabi nga nila,
nag-workout.
kasi nag-workout si Yen. No!
Hindi ako nag-workout.
Disclaimer, Yen worked out around day 90 na eh, no? Parang anong day ka na nag-workout?
Ngayon
Third month?
lang, Doc, ako nag-workout ulit.
seventh
Last
month.
month lang.
So, 6th month. So,
Last
Yen
month lang
worked
ako
out
nag-workout.
on the 6th month pa.
Yes.
So, what if nung day 3, nag-workout ka na? Oh my God! Ano ang
So,
nakikita natin pa ngayon?
Mhm.
Di ba? Baka naman maging bodybuilder ka. So, wag naman.
Wag
Okay
naman
na to,
ganon.
okay na to, guys.
Okay na,
Pectus ka na lang sa Pilates mo.
Ganun na lang.
That's what you do na lang. So, you do Pilates. I've seen
Yes.
social media.
Mhm.
So, how does it affect your work? Ano ang tingin mo before you gain the weight, yung stamina mo sa set, anong energy level mo ngayon? Ano ang
Parang
yung ngayon,
ano?
itong Yen Santos na to sa set?
Parang yung energy ko, bumata ako ng 10 years. Ganon. Hindi lang pati
Ano po ba
feeling ko
inaantay natin?
bumata talaga ako ng 10 years,
Ano
Doc.
ba inaantay natin? Parang time machine, ano?
Iba,
Pero,
grabe.
With the wisdom.
Oo.
You look like 18, pero yung wisdom mo, executive.
Totoo. Totoo rin.
So guys, grabe na to. Ano ba? Parang ako na yung naging host niya.
Pero marami akong questions
Okay,
sa'yo
sige,
later.
sige.
Okay, eto na. Doc,
Yes!
so many big stars suddenly look different. Is this new weight loss trend really safe, or is it just a quick fix that's only for celebrities?
It's for everyone. Everyone who is struggling with, their diet and who have tried absolutely everything. Very important is to take the history of the patient. Yun ang importante doon. Alamin natin yung story niya, kung ito na ba ang kailangan niya,
Yes.
or kaya pa natin i-educate.
Okay.
But usually, this one is the best procedure. As we could see sa international scene, talagang the way we should manage it, the way we should handle it, should be medically supervised. Dapat may doktor na gumaguide sa mga patients who are using the GLP-1.
As a celebrity myself, I feel a lot of pressure to look perfect. When a star loses weight quickly, how do you make sure they are still healthy inside and not just thin on the outside?
Perfection may never be achieved, Miss Yen, but the road to perfection, we achieve greatness. So definitely, we guide you with real food energy. Dapat naman, I would tell you to eat the right food
Yes.
to consume.
Real
hindi-
food.
Real food. And
Real
I could see it now.
Mm-hmm.
Snatch na snatch ka na eh. Diba?
Okay,
Okay, go.
let's clear it up. Ozempic ba ang gamit mo dito sa Doc Baker?
No, we're not
What is
using-
Baker Slim? How does it work?
Okay, so we have a GLP-1. So this GLP-1 is not a brand called Ozempic. Now, remember, we are not pushing a specific brand, but definitely we are pushing our own brand called the Baker Slim. Now, for me, if it is used for very superficial reasons, medyo I go away from just losing 10 pounds for a specific role. I'm more of like a lifestyle change. I wanna always impose to my patients na hindi ito for the kasal lang or for the event, but for the life-changing effect it does to the person. So basically, pagtapos na sila sa Baker's Team, nagbabago din yung buhay nila to the better. So, natuturuan ko sila, hindi nyo na ako kailangan, okay na kayo. Ito na yung naturo ko. Ito yung kakainin nyo, and ito yung habits niyo. And you know what? Yan talaga ang, I think, for me, the best effect of the Baker's Team.
Everyone talks about the physical changes, but what is the biggest emotional or mental challenge to your famous clients face when they go through a huge body change?
Okay, so I always tell them na when you reach na the proper medical weight na healthy na naabot natin, siyempre hindi nila nakikita yun. Nakikita nila na kailangan pa nila. And it hits home because you're a celebrity. And I understand your competition and your it's a sport. So celebrity business is a sport. So it's a very cutthroat sport. It's all about looks. But that's why kailangan, like I said, laging doktor ang dapat mag-guide sa iyo para alam nila to tell you when to stop or when to relax muna, space it out, bago magsimula muli. So, yun ang very important role ng medical doctor sa larangan na ito, ng weight loss.
For someone like me, I love to eat. If one of your programs makes me lose my appetite, how do I still enjoy food and my social life without feeling like I'm missing out?
Very good. I had a vlogger who became or invited pala sa isang lechon festival sa Ormoc. Now, this vlogger was so worried kasi isa siyang lechon judge.
Okay.
So, will he be able to taste the lutong o yung amoy, pagkagat ng balat ng lechon? Sabi ko, alam ni Miss Yan ito, alam mo to, that it won't change your taste buds, guys. Hindi ito trangkaso na mawawala yung panglasa. Clear tayo doon. You will still be able to enjoy, but this time, may control ka na, no?
Control na.
Tama, no?
Yes.
Hindi ka na parang, oh my God, I don't taste the butter anymore. Andun pa rin yung butter. The umami was never compromised. And I see that, nag-post ka kumakain naman, di ba?
Yes.
Wow, nag-enjoy pa rin siya, oh. Pero yun lang kaya mo. Dati, lamon, right?
Lamon,
Sisig.
Dok, talaga, sisig. Nagagalit pa ako kapag hindi yun yung ulam. Umaalis ako ng bahay namin, bumibili ako ng sarili kong pagkain
Dami sa
kapag hindi
QC.
ko gusto yung ulam.
Dami sa QC.
Totoo yun. Pero ngayon, mula nung nag-Baker Slim ako, hanggang ngayon, hindi pa ako ulit kumakain ng sisig.
But that's real food.
Yes.
If you do. But of course, how do you consume it na ba?
Wala na, Dok. Konti na lang.
Kaya I want you to focus on protein or nutrient-dense
Yes.
food, Miss Yan. Yun yung importante doon. Kumbaga, ito na lang nga yung appetite mo, tapos sayang naman kung Cheetos lang yung nilaman mo. I would want, walang ano sa Cheetos, ha? Pero yung junk, sayang naman kasi yung leg room. If wala ka na rin gana, might as well eat nutritious one. Alright.
Is it true that the weight comes back as soon as you stop the program? If so, what is your plan for your clients to stay slim for years, not just for a few months?
Very good. That's a very good fear of consumers also kasi yung experience ng mga previous, yung mga types of slimming before na talagang grabe yung weight gain, di ba? Yung mga type of procedure pa before the slim, di ba? Grabe yung rebound. Now, super swerte ako na may patients really, check up on themselves and tell me na, Doc, matagal, hindi ko pa napansin or hindi pa ako bumalik ever sa weight ko.
Yes.
They never went back to the original weight. That's a high batting average already for me. Na hindi na sila nag-relapse to the biggest weight they ever had. So ano yung tinuturo ko sa kanila? Since ito, may control ka na, don't be afraid to go back again sa Baker Slim. And I think this time, sila na yung nagsasabi sa akin na, Doc, tusok ko ngayon. Doc,
Yes.
it's like coffee. Dati, I will sell it. Ito yung coffee. Now, this time, they want what they want. They order what they want. And they use it with my supervision na, okay, Doc, gusto ko magpagpag na 5 kilos. They come back for that. Ganun na. Parang
ganun
sila na
na.
yung in control. Nakakatuwa. It's a nice long term.
Sometimes a person feels happy at a certain size. If a celebrity is medically healthy but their manager or the public wants them thinner, how do you handle that pressure in your clinic?
As a doctor, And of course, as a medical doctor, hindi ko talaga pwedeng pakinggan yung sinasabi ng mga manager over the risk of your body. Of course, we have to do no harm. Bawal ako at lahat ng doktor na ilagay ka sa alanganin over a project.
Yes.
Hindi ako pabor. So I will not do that to my patients regardless of how much they push it. Talaga I know how to draw the line.
We see before and after photos, but what are the side effects nobody talks about? What should my viewers be most careful of?
Yes. To any procedure, there will always be what we call this consultation na sinasabi na natin lahat ng ina-expect nila. And of course, they control it and they manage it hand in hand. Ngayon, tinatanong nila kung meron ba nangyayari sa katawan. I usually tell them to take their laboratory values at nagre-reflect naman dun yung mga gandang outcomes. Nagre-reflect din yung improvement ng kanilang blood sugar. Nandun lahat. Mag-o-audit din tayo sa katawan.
Hindi lang kasi talaga siya pang pampapayat.
No.
Lahat maaayos.
Pati mga hormonal
Yes.
problems. And I also prime them for their OBGYN na natutulungan ko yung fertility issues din nila.
I know. Yung liver.
Liver and
diba?
nag-i-improve talaga.
Yung
So,
sugar.
sugar. In fact, I also help their doctors as well. Yun yung nakikita ko.
The best.
Salamat,
The best.
Salamat.
If a person cannot afford the expensive celebrity treatments, what is the single most important free everyday habit that they can start today to get genuinely healthier?
Non-negotiable education is number one. The doctors always started to educate the patient to avoid the junk food and the processed food. That is the single number one driving factor we have right now sa obesity natin sa Philippines. So, that is number one. Yan ang pinakaunang libre at napakalakas na education. That yan kasi talaga, kapag nasabi mo sa kanila yung pinaka-importanteng knowledge na yun, malaking catapult na yun sa kanilang health journey. So, parang tinatawag natin na ang Baker's Limb is just a catapult.
What's the one food you tell all your celebrity clients that they must completely avoid?
To be honest with you, the number one thing to avoid talaga is the processed food. You guys can decide on that. So, meron naman tayong freedom to decide processed food.
In your opinion, what is the most misunderstood part about losing weight?
Doesn't know when to stop.
Madaming gano'n na, no? Marami na.
Yes.
Marami na.
Yes. Kaya nagkakaroon ng mga fearmonger kasi they don't know when to stop. Totoo yan.
Is stress eating a real medical condition or just an excuse?
Of course, it is a real medical condition. In fact, marami na rin nag-bring to light na it's a psychiatric condition. Kumbaga, it is a way of a person to cope up with stress.
Nagdaan ako doon.
That's why very important ang mental health. And I think Baker's Limb addressed that so well.
Yes. My mental health improved.
No?
Yes.
Diba? Nakakayabang ang Baker's Limb.
Nakakayabang. Dok, wala akong pinapalampas
Yun yung isa ko napapansin, yung mayabang yung mga pasyente.
Mirror selfie. Kung dati, galing ako sa hindi ako nagpipicture.
Naka-hoodie ka.
Yan yung uniform ko kasi yun lang ang kasya sa akin.
Oh my God. We went from there. No?
Yes.
Oh my God. Alright.
If a celebrity needs to drop weight in 1 week for a big event, what is the safest thing they can possibly do?
Safest thing, cut out the carbs. Talagang cut out sugar, cut out processed food. Automatic, they must go into protein-rich pagkain to definitely maintain the muscle mass and drop the fat. Yun ang number one.
Okay.
Ang laki na agad na jump nun. Of course, Baker's Limb.
Yes.
That combination.
Deadly combo.
Deadly combo. Killer combo. Killer combo.
Killer combo. As a doctor, what is the best piece of advice you can give someone who sees an actor or actress and says, I want to look exactly like them?
Of course, you have to present the reality.
Totoo.
And sometimes it's harsh. The harsh reality.
Pero kasi wala, straightforward ka eh.
Straightforward.
Wala kang
I cannot present a dream that will not happen. I cannot make some patients of mine look like Ian Santos.
Kasi I remember, Doc, sabi mo sa akin din, kasi iba-iba ang built ng tao.
Yes.
Diba?
Yes. Iba-iba talaga.
Hindi
Iba yung-
pwedeng gusto mo yung ganun kay Dua Lipa kung hindi naman ganun
Correct.
yung...
Tapos yung patient mo si Serena Williams.
Yes.
Imposible sabihin kay Serena na magmumukha kang Dua Lipa. Whether we like it or not, it is impossible.
Yes.
And we will put the patient in danger
Mhm.
just to achieve the Dua Lipa look. And also Dua Lipa, she cannot achieve the look of Serena. Or Beyonce. Hindi rin niya makukuha yung gifts ni Beyonce and ni Serena. Kahit anong squat ang gagawin niya. Those are the things also you have to present to the patient. Kasi may ganun din.
So, ano nga sinasabi mo? Like, paano mo agad?
Well, we have to present reality na impossible yon, but how do we beat around the bush? How do we work on it? What are the gifts that you have? So, ano yung asset mo? Face card ba talaga? Yung asset mo is ito ba? Yung dating mo? Then that is, I believe lahat meron tayong inner asset.
Yes.
Charisma, yung iba perfect nose, iba perfect jawline. Yung dating niya.
Yes.
So those are things I would want to maximize. And I'm sure you've seen my influencers, di ba? Tuwa ka rin. O yung contrast.
Yes.
Grabe yung range nila. Alright. But they always ask, when they ask, like the females, ask, how to look like Ian Santos, Doc? Ano nangyari kay Ian Santos, Doc? Ma'am, wala po talagang opera yun.
National news kasi tayo, Doc.
Oo. Kalusugan ni Ian Santos ngayon is of a 21-year-old.
Totoo.
Never has it been true forever 21. It's wow. Pun intended talaga. Hindi siya pun not intended. Pun intended. Wow. Congratulations, Miss Yen.
Yes! Thank you so much,
Guys,
Doc.
please like and subscribe sa
Yes.
page niya. Please!
Yes.
And I've seen the results. Look at that. Thank you so much, Miss Yen. Thank you for
Doc.
trusting Baker Medical. Ready ka sa shoot mo.
Ready na.
Dash, thank you so much.
Yes!
Sokto na.
Sokto
Hindi
na
matagalan.
tayo.
Tusok na para hindi matagalan.
Yes. Super fast,
Thank you so
super
much.
easy. So that's it, guys. At magkakaroon po kami ng part 2 with Miss Danny naman. Sana po ay na-inspire kayo sa ginawa naming vlog today. And I'll see you soon again. Thank you! Mwah! Oh my God! Oh my God! So! Bago natin mag... I-share ko muna!